because they're going to bring in the sun god. Kamala Harris in relation to Herbert Hoover. Herbert Hoover, he didn't start the Depression. He inherited it as a president. So I want you to understand, the conditions are in relation to a leader. She will be the leader during this period. Trump is leaving, Depression comes in, she's here momentarily, won't be long. Because she's the modern day Herbert Hoover, because she's got the birthday of the death date of the president. I hope you got it. I know you can get it. Now look, what day was the Great Depression? October 29th, 1929. October 29th, 1929, right there. June 2nd is today. 96 years ago in 7/4. America was founded July 4th. And 216, the 216th day of the year is August 4th. August 4th is Barack Obama's birthday. He's the Antichrist. He's the one that's going to take everybody's place. The ruler of the whole world. Now, Jamie Dimon is the CEO of Chase Manhattan Bank. Chase. His birthday is March 13th. 3/13, 1956. And just for historical record, Pope Francis became the Pope on March 13th of 2013. But his birthday here is 1956. Jamie Dimon is the CEO of that bank where they got the hostages at. 9/6/2026 is the date right now with the hostages. Jamie Dimon's birthday next year, March 13th, 2027. The difference is 9/11. Drop the mic. Praise God for the gift. I pray you guys seek Jesus.